I'm Monica Rana. This is Himachal 365 and you're watching Hillcrest News Channel. Let's start with the headlines. Negative COVID report or full vaccination must for all visiting Himachal Pradesh from August 13. Himachal Assembly in session ruckus in Vidhan Sabha over COVID management. Educational institution in Himachal Pradesh closed till August 22. Not allowed entry, pilgrims raise slogans against Himachal government. Active COVID cases the lowest in India in 4 months. ISRO to launch Earth observation satellite aboard GSLV Mk3 vehicle tomorrow. India's drug regulator approved study on mixing of Covaxin and Covishield doses. At 1.3 R factor highest in Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. Chairman Venkaiah Naidu broke down in Rajya Sabha, said he had a sleepless night. Now news in detail. Negative COVID report or full vaccination must for all visiting Himachal from August 13. The Himachal Pradesh government has made a negative COVID report or full vaccination mandatory for all people intending to visit the hill state from August 13. In a late night order on Tuesday, Chief Secretary Ram Shubhag Singh stated, all persons intending to visit state shall carry their COVID vaccination certificate, double doses or a negative RT-PCR test report not older than 72 hours or R18 negative report not older than 24 hours with effect from 13th August 2021. Issuing the 2-page order after the state cabinet meeting, Ram Shubhag Singh stated the situation of COVID in the state has been reviewed. It is observed that the number of COVID active cases and positivity rate are increasing in the state and the situation is still precarious. Himachal Assembly in session ruckus in Vidhan Sabha over COVID management. Dissatisfied with the reply of the government on COVID management, opposition Congress yesterday staged a walkout in the Vidhan Sabha while Health Minister Rajiv Sehgal was still replying to the debate. The issue of COVID management during the pandemic was raised by Indradat Lakhanpal, Bikram Jaryal, Narendra Thakur, Binod Kumar and Kishori Lal under Rule 130. The Congress MLAs raised slogan and staged a walkout saying the minister had failed to reply to the issue. Educational institution in Himachal closed till August 22. In view of the daily surge in COVID cases in Himachal, the government decided to close all schools and educational institutions till August 22. The decision was taken at a cabinet meeting chaired by Chief Minister Jairam Thakur. The government had earlier allowed all schools including residential institutions to open from August 2. As a precautionary measure, the cabinet also decided to cap occupancy in all interstate buses to 50%. We are concerned at the surge in COVID cases and so we have decided to impose stricter restrictions, said Chief Minister Jairam Thakur. Not allowed entry, pilgrims raise slogans against Himachal government. Pilgrims coming from Punjab and other states to pay obeisance at temples in Una and Kangra district during Navratras are creating hassles for the law enforcement authorities at the borders. A large number of pilgrims gather at the Gagret border of Una district and raise slogans against the Himachal Pradesh government for not allowing them to pay obeisance at the temples. The law enforcement authority had a tough time controlling the crowd of pilgrims. Mata Chintpurni temple in Unna district and the Jwalamukhi temple in Kangra district receive a large number of pilgrims during the Navratras. Active COVID cases the lowest in India in 4 months. India saw a single-day rise of 38,353 coronavirus infections, taking the total tally of COVID cases to 3,20,36,511, while the active cases have declined to 3,86,351, the lowest in 140 days, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Wednesday. The death toll has climbed to 4,29,179 with 497 fresh fatalities, the data showed. The active cases comprise 1.21% of the total infections. ISRO to launch Earth observation satellite aboard GSLV Mk3 vehicle tomorrow. The Indian Space Research Organization ISRO will launch the Earth observation satellite EOS-3 aboard its GSLV Mk3 vehicle on August 12 at 5:43 am from the country's only spaceport at Sriharikota. With the mission, the agency will resume the country's space activities after a gap of over 4 months due to the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. This will be the second operational flight of GSLV Mk3 after the Chandrayaan-2 mission when the launch vehicle overperformed, placing the spacecraft in a higher orbit and saving fuel for upcoming maneuvers. India's drug regulator approved study on mixing of Covaxin and Covishield doses. India's drug regulator has given approval for a study to be conducted by the Christian Medical College CMC Bangalore on mixing of COVID vaccine, Covaxin and Covishield, officials said on Wednesday. An expert panel of the Central Drug Standard Control Organization on July 29 had recommended granting permission for conducting the study. The trial will involve 300 healthy volunteers. The aim of the study is to assess the feasibility on whether a person can be given two different vaccine shots, one each of Covishield and Covaxin, to complete the inoculation course, a source said. At 1.3 R factor highest in Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. Himachal Pradesh and Punjab currently top the rate of COVID-19 transmission in India with the highest virus reproductive value of 1.3 each, which indicates rising infection trends and disease resurgence. On a day when India's daily COVID-19 cases dropped to 28,204 in a 147-day low, the government sent out warning signals to 8 states with R value equal to or higher than 1. These states are Himachal and Punjab, where R factor is 1.3 each, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh 1.1 each, and Andhra Pradesh, Goa and Nagaland 1 each. Although the government said Kerala remained an area of grave concern as 51.51% of the new cases last week came from the state, it said new pockets of cases in Himachal Pradesh, Punjab and other states with the rising R factor were a matter of concern. Chairman Venkaiah Naidu broke down in Rajya Sabha, said he had a sleepless night. Rajya Sabha Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu on Wednesday briefly broke down as he read out a statement expressing anguish at what happened in the House on Tuesday afternoon when some opposition members climbed on the reporter's table during a discussion on the farmers' issue. I have no word to express my anguish, word to condemn such acts. I spent a sleepless night last night, Venkaiah Naidu said. After saying sleepless night, Naidu had an extended pause when he tried to control his emotions, looking down at the desk in front of him. He finally said last night with some efforts as his voice choked. Venkaiah Naidu said Parliament was like a temple of democracy and the area where the scribes, the Secretary General and the presiding officer sat was like the sanctum sanctorum of the temple. Devotees were not allowed to enter the sanctum sanctorum ordinarily. What this custom was believed routinely violated in the House. Some members even climbed atop the scribe's table to gain better visibility. So this is all for this time. Stay connected and keep watching Hilkes News Channel. Thank you.